Good afternoon or good morning to everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you to today's webinar on German large-scale electrolyzer technology for India's green hydrogen economy. This session is being organized by the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce in collaboration with the Indo-German Energy Forum Support Office, the International Hydrogen Ramp-Up Program H2Up, GH2 India, and Women in Green Hydrogen. Nearly 4 years ago, Indo-German Energy Forum Support Office, in collaboration with Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, hosted a similar webinar to gather insights from industry experts on large-scale green hydrogen production. The questions raised then remain highly relevant today, not only because the technology has significantly matured, but also because the global push toward net zero has made green hydrogen more essential than ever. For India, with its national green hydrogen mission enforced since, it is now both a pathway to decarbonize while ensuring energy security and an opportunity to position itself as a key green hydrogen and power to X supplier to the European Union and beyond. In this context, today's webinar provides a timely platform to examine how advanced German electrolyzer technologies can play a critical role in supporting India's green hydrogen economy by enabling green hydrogen production at scale and also for wide and niche applications. Today, we are also pleased to welcome experts from Siemens Energy India Limited and thyssenkrupp nucera, two global pioneers at the forefront of large-scale green hydrogen technology, who will give close insights into their technologies and flagship projects. It is my pleasure to invite Mr. Georg Jahnsen, Head of Project H2Uppp India, to deliver the opening remarks. Over to you, Mr. Jahnsen.
Thanks a lot, Divya. Good afternoon, distinguished speakers, partners, and participants. Great to see you all on this call. It's my privilege to welcome you all to this important webinar focused on German large-scale electrolyzer technology for India's green hydrogen economy. A partnership of strategic significance for advancing India's energy transition goals. I'm Georg Jahnsen, and I'm the lead new arrived in India of the GIZ-supported green hydrogen projects. And it's a great pleasure for my team and me to partner again with our dear colleagues from the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce. Shivani and her team, great to see you also on this call. Allow me to give you a fair idea of the H2Up program. Just a few flashlights on this. So it is commissioned by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Energy, BMWE. It enables public-private partnerships between German and European organizations and Indian industry partners. The goal is to develop and pioneer green hydrogen and power-to-X projects, covering the entire value chain, including production, storage, transport, and utilization. Our focus at this H2Up program is to accelerate the technology transfer between the two countries, to create new markets, and to build green hydrogen capacities in India. So the H2Up activities are very closely linked to the Indo-German Green Hydrogen Roadmap, which was formally exchanged at the 7th Intergovernmental Consultations in New Delhi in October 2024. This lays the foundation for a deeper Indian-German cooperation in standards, trade, investment, and joint research and development. So the roadmap is now anchored through a permanent green hydrogen working group under the Indo-German Energy Forum. A number of recent developments, especially between Indian and German companies in green hydrogen and derivatives, has strengthened the already flourishing trade engagements between the two countries. GIZ India supports various PPP projects under the H2Up program, including hard-to-decarbonize sectors where large-scale electrolyzers, our today's topic, are crucial. So on behalf of all H2Up and GIZ IGEF colleagues, I extend sincere gratitude to our German and Indian partners, technology providers, industry stakeholders, and government officials who continue driving this partnership forward. I wish us all an engaging, productive, and enriching webinar ahead. Thank you. And with this, back to you, Divya.
Thank you very much, Georg, for setting the stage and sharing those insightful opening remarks. Next, please join me in welcoming Ms. Shivani Chaturvedi, Regional Director at the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, to share her welcome address. Over to you, Shivani.
Thank you, Divya. Dear Gaur, industry partners and participants, a warm welcome on behalf of the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar on German large-scale electrolyser technology for India's green hydrogen economy. The green hydrogen and derivative sector presents a valuable opportunity to deepen the strong and long-standing collaboration between India and Germany. Today's session will focus on how India's ambitious goals in green hydrogen can align with Germany's technological expertise to turn shared ambition into impact and accelerate the clean energy transition in both India and Germany. Germany is projected to have a major demand for green hydrogen and its derivatives, potentially reaching 1.5 to 3 million tons by 2030, and it is supporting activities in feasible partner countries to secure the supply. German technologies could significantly contribute to India's green hydrogen production, achieving high operational efficiency, long life of equipment, and high returns on investments, among other benefits. I'm confident that India and German companies have great potential for successful collaboration by joining forces in the construction of large-scale hydrogen production facilities. Electrolyzers are a major component in the GH2 production. A reliable system which is capable of longer full load hours can significantly improve the operational efficiency of the complete system. For commercial scale production of hydrogen, alkaline and PEM electrolyzers are currently the main technologies in use. These are the core topics we will be exploring today, and I'm very much looking forward to today's discussion. The insights from our industry experts from Siemens Energy and thyssenkrupp nucera, who have been in the electrolysis business for a long time and have developed high-performance systems. The Indo-German Energy Forum, the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, the H2Uppp have been long valuable partners in fostering knowledge exchange and cooperation between India and Germany. Together, we've organized various events such as B2B roundtables, trade fair presences in India, study tours to Europe. I'm confident that our joint activities significantly contribute to the market ramp-up of the green hydrogen in India and Germany and create new business opportunities. With that, I look forward to a productive and insightful discussion today, and I'm excited for the opportunities this webinar will unlock for both countries.